Hello guys, today I will tell you about matter and its properties. All objects have certain properties. Objects take up space. All the objects around you in your classroom, such as books, tables, chairs, and pencils, take up space. The amount of space occupied by an object is called its volume. Secondly, objects have mass. Mass is how much there is substance. Is related to how much the object weighs. Anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. Around us is made up of matter. Some objects may be heavy while others may be light. This is because different objects have different mass. Mass tells us how heavy or light an object is. Matter exists in three different forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Now I will tell you about solid. Matter in its solid state has a fixed shape. For example, a block of wood has a fixed shape and size. Solids do not change their shape when moved to another container. A solid has the following properties: it has a defined shape, it has a defined mass, it has a defined volume. If you don't know the meaning of volume, let me tell it. The amount of space occupied by a substance or object is the meaning of volume. The shape of a solid can be changed only by cutting or burned. Now I will tell you about liquid. Matter in its liquid state takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. Liquids can follow, they can be poured and even spilled. Water is a liquid. It occupies space and therefore has volume. It takes the shape of the container in which it is kept. A liquid has the following properties: it has defined mass, it has defined volume, it can flow, it does not have defined shape. Now I will tell you about gas. A gas is a state of matter which has no fixed shape or volume. It occupies the entire space of the container given. A gas has the following properties: no defined shape, no defined volume, occupies all the space given in the container. Air is a mixture of different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. We feel the air all around us, but we cannot see it. Air also contains water vapors, water in its gaseous state. Now I will tell you a fact about solid, liquid, and gas. A solid has defined shape. A liquid takes the shape of the container. A gas expands to fill all the space in its container. Now I will tell you about change in the states of matter. Matter can change from the one state to another. These changes can be happen on heating or cooling. Ice cube changes into water when kept outside the fridge due to the warmth in the room. The process of changing from a solid to a liquid state on heating is called melting. When we heat water, it changes into water vapors. This process of changing from a liquid to a gas state on heating is called evaporation. When a gas changes to a liquid state on cooling, the process is called condensation. All these changes are also found in the water cycle. In the water cycle, ice or snow changes into water on melting and then evaporates to form water vapors due to the heat of the sun. Clouds are formed when water vapors condense on cool dust particles higher up in the atmosphere. Water keeps on changing its state during the entire water cycle. Thanks for watching.